Dear students, this is 6th class Social Science, and today let us study natural resources in Mysuru division. We are studying at present we are studying our Karnataka in that Mysuru division. Okay, let us go to natural resources. Natural resources, here 7th line, the Udupi districts of this division receives highest rainfall. In Udupi district we can see heavy rainfall, whereas the Mandya district receives the lowest rainfall. Mandya district receives the lowest rainfall. Since the division has varied climatic conditions, mountain ranges and forest varieties of crops are grown here. Since the division has different climatic conditions, mountain ranges and forest varieties of crops are grown here. Forest varieties of crops are grown here. Why? Because of mountain ranges. More mountains are found here. Next, what are the crops grown here? Ragi, paddy, green gram, horse gram, maize and other crops are grown here. Which are the main crops? Ragi, paddy, green gram, horse gram, maize and other crops are grown. Now, coffee, sugarcane, tobacco, arecanut, cardamom, orange, cashew nuts and others are the major commercial crops. These are the coffee, sugarcane, tobacco, arecanut and cardamom and orange cashew nuts. These are called what? Commercial crops. Why? Because they fetch lot of money. They bring lot of money. The first coffee in India was cultivated in Chikkamangaluru district. The first coffee was cultivated. For the first time, coffee was cultivated in this Chikkamangaluru district. Who had brought that coffee in Chikmagaluru first? Baba Budangiri. Baba Budangiri brought that coffee into India for the first time. Betel leaves are grown in many parts of this division. Betel leaves also are grown. Now, this division is rich with natural resources. There are many types of forests in Kodagu, Dakshin Kannada, Mysuru and other districts. This division is rich with natural resources. There are many types of forests in Kodagu, Dakshin Kannada, Mysuru and Chikmagaluru districts. In these districts, various types of forests are found here. Teak, sandalwood, these are the kinds of wood. Teak, sandalwood, hange, nandi, matti and other trees are available here. These trees are available in this division. The forests of this division are known for their quality products. Minor forest produces like honey, adhesives, wild berries and others are also found here. Next, this division has many small and big mountains. This division, Mysore division, has many small and big mountains. Subramanya Hill, Himawad Gopala Hill, Malay Mahadeshwara Hill, Biligiri Rangana Hill, Mulyanagiri Hill, Kammanagundi, Chamundi Hill, Chandragiri and Indragiri of Shravanabelagola are few ones. These are the important hills. This Chandragiri and Indragiri hills are found in Shravanabelagola, and there Gomtesh statue is there. Gomteshwara statue is there on the Chandragiri hill. The Mysore division is famous for its deep forests. Dense means deep forests, and also famous for its variety of biodiversity. Mysore division is famous for what? It is known for its deep forests. Dense means deep forests, and also famous for its vast biodiversity. Various kinds of animals, birds are found. Tiger, leopard, wild dogs, deer, fox, bison, snakes, and other wild animals are present in these forests. The Bannur ship of Mandya district is very famous. In Mandya district, SHWP ship Kurigalu, they are famous in Bannur. The following are the famous rivers of this division. Now, rivers of this rivers are also natural resources. Kaveri, Hemavati, Harangi, Netravati, Kumaradhara, Vedavati, Kapila, Yagachi, and Gangoli. These are the important rivers. There are many waterfalls too. Waterfalls are also found there. They are Gaganchukki, Bharachukki, Abbe Falls, Irupu Falls, Hebbe Falls, and others. This is the scene of waterfall, Gaganchukki Bharachukki waterfall. Bauxites, talcite. Let us stop here.